what better time than this to tell you about the air conditioners? I'm sure most of you must be out there to buy a new air conditioner. And I'm going to be helping you out, telling you about an air conditioner that's favorite these days for me because I've been using it for quite some time. And yes, I'm here to tell you all about it. The design, the amazing features that it has, which no other brand has it till now. And yes, it's also going to save up your money in terms of electricity bill. So let's get started. I'm going to be telling you about the new AC range from Haier, which is 1.6 tons. We're going to be telling you all about it. Do watch this video. It's very interesting and I'm in love with this AC and how. Let's get started. Come. So now you stay tuned for the amazing features that you wouldn't have seen before in any other air conditioner, and I'm going to be telling you all about it. But before that, let me introduce you to the air conditioner that I'm going to be talking about in this video, and this is
the Haier Kanochi Heavy Duty Smart Split AC.
Yes, this is the AC that I'm going to be talking you and telling you all about it. So before we tell you about this Haier air conditioner, let me first tell you about the tonnage here that's available. Well, it's available in 1.5 ton, 1.6 ton, 2 ton and 1 ton. So you can actually buy the one that you want as per your capacity in terms of what room size that you're buying it for and also the budget. Well, if you talk about the size, it's like I told you, very compact, and when you put it up on the wall, it actually seamlessly gets into the wall in a way that, you know, it feels as if it's a part of the wall and doesn't pop out like usually the conventional ACs do. So pretty sleek and looks pretty good on the wall. Well, talking about the dimensions, here are the dimensions you can take a look at. So first up is the design, like I told you, and this one actually has a very different and unique design, and I'm going to be giving you a closer look to the design, and it's very different and not as a usual boxy design AC that you usually get in the market. It's very different from that. It's pretty slim and it's slightly curved from the sides also, that you can see these edges. There's a slightly curve, and this is what makes it different than any other ACs that you get. बिल्कुल boxy नहीं है. ये curved line जो आप देख रहे हैं, dash of color adds to the premium look of the air conditioner. So wherever that you're going to be placing the AC, this will indeed look very nice, smart and very good. The dash of color actually is being given to give it a little premium look and very nice and pretty look. It's pretty compact. If you talk about size, well, it's 1050 mm wide. The height is about 350 mm and just 2.35 mm thick, which means that it's very thick, and when you put it on the wall, it actually doesn't look very bulky and doesn't bulge out, but looks a very, gives the wall a very, very nice and sleek looking look to the wall wherever you're going to be placing it, and it's indeed will look quite pretty in any space that you will be putting it up in your office or your room or wherever you plan to put this AC on. So in terms of design, yes, it's pretty cool. I personally like the design. And like you can see, the material is also very good that's been used. It's not a very plasticky and it's very sturdy as well. First up, let's start with one of the best features this AC has, and yes, why it is best, because obviously it is less of effort to actually clean it, and secondly, you clean it anytime that you want from the comfort of your home, and thirdly, it saves up money. You don't have to call somebody to clean it up every time that you want the AC to be cleaned. What's the best part? Well, it's called the Frost self-cleaning feature, and how does it work? It's magical. You don't have to do anything. Just switch on the AC at the CL mode. You have seen a remote of the AC. Well, you just have to press one button, which is the self-clean button. I press it, the AC shows CL, and now here where the magic starts. Frosting happens inside the evaporator coil. The coil expansion ensures all the dust is stuck to the frosting, and once it's done, it defrosts and the ice that's melted turns into water and ensures that the dust particles along with this water goes through the dust pipe and you get clean AC. So yes, that's the kind of calculation that goes into cleaning this air conditioner in the self-cleaning mode. 21 minutes and the AC is clean and how. Well, now talking about the supersonic mode that's given in this air conditioner, it's a very, very amazing feature here. So as soon as you turn on the supersonic mode here, this air conditioner gives you faster cooling in no time. Well, as compared to the conventional air conditioner that take too much of time for the room temperature to be coming down, this one does it very, very fast. The next up is the airflow feature of this air conditioner. What's the airflow feature here? Well, the airflow is a turbo airflow that this AC has. What happens is when you put on the airflow feature, turbo mode here, the turbo cooling, well, it gives you about 20 meters of airflow. So I was standing there, now I'm standing here. So next is 20 meters away that I'm standing from that AC and I'm still getting the cooling here. So no jhagda on standing in front of the AC and getting the thandi hawa. And now we're moving on to another feature, which is the PCB, the Hyper PCB. Well, what's it? We'll tell you. For the Hyper PCB, check the filters, superior micro antibacterial filters, so it holds back dust particles. And the outdoor unit, you can see the Hyper PCB is quite big and keeps the temperature cool. Also, it does withstand up to 65 degrees of temperature, and yes, it takes care of the fluctuations as well. It has 550 surge voltage, and the moisture also does not affect the unit. So since we're telling you all about the Haiers new AC, we're going to be giving you an in-depth knowledge of everything that it has. I did tell you about the indoor unit, and now we're going to be talking about the outdoor unit that you have. You could see that how powerful and sturdy it is. It's very compact and sturdy, you can see, and you don't have to bother about the fluctuations as well. You know, this has an advanced Hyper PCB tech, the outdoor unit also, and the AC gives robust cooling amidst power fluctuations. So power fluctuation कितना भी जा रहा हो ऊपर नीचे आपको मेन स्विच बंद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. The AC itself take cares of it. So you could see that, this AC is very intelligent also. Why? Because it has a 5-star rating, as you can see, and every time that you go and buy an AC, the 5-star rating is very, very important. So I would recommend not to buy an AC which is not a 5-star AC rated. So you could see that these are 5 stars, which means that it's going to be saving more of energy. Thirdly, it is voice enabled. It takes voice commands and also Wi-Fi enabled. So it will be easy for you to just sit down anywhere and operate this AC. And this lots more features, and that is why this AC is very, very intelligent. So many features, and that is why it's called the Intelli features, which are intelligent features. We told you all about it, and this is another one that it has. It's 7-in-1 Intelli convertible. Well, what is it? It has supersonic cooling. It is Intelli Adjust. It is super expandable. It is summer comfort, monsoon comfort, child comfort, winter comfort. Oh my God, so many comforts. And yes, this is an all-season AC that you can use in any season that you want. बारिश हो, धूप हो, आंधी हो, तूफान हो, या फिर कैसा भी मौसम हो, this is a perfect fit. What else do you want? So the most important part, the copper coil. Yes, this one has a copper coil which is rust-free and is grooved copper, which has space for inner slots to enlarge the contact between gas and copper pipe. And so the heat exchange is increased by 30 to 50% and also lasts longer. So there are a lot of functions in the app.
The Haier Smart app has a lot of functions that you can control the AC with.
From temperature control to turbo mode and lots of it. So even if you're far away from the AC, you don't have the remote, you can still operate and adjust and customize everything from the app. I gave you all the details about it, and I've been telling you I've been using this AC for quite some time, and I'm super impressed by this, and that's the reason we got you this video to tell you all the details about it. The budget friendly with so many features, this pricing is kamal.